Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make yam and vegetable sauce. So before we dive into the video, I just want to appreciate all my subscribers, my new subscribers. Thank you also so much. To my oldies, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, let's dive into the video. So over here are my ingredients. So here I have my frozen yam. So I'm going to be using my frozen yam on this recipe. So over here I have a variety of bell pepper. I have the red one, the yellow, the green, garlic, two scotch bonus pepper, the green one. I also have one large onions here. So I'm going to be using fish for this recipe. So over here is my vegetable. So what I'm going to do first of all is just to put my yam in my pot. My pot is already over there in the gas. So I will be placing my yam into the pot while we get started. I'm also going to be adding my chili habanero pepper, which is Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to add a little, then taste it. Then if I need more, I can add. I'm going to be adding a little more of Scotch bonnet pepper. This is grounded Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to cover it, allow it to simmer for the next 5 minutes before adding my fish to it. Guys, I'm going to check my yam to see if it's ready. Yeah, it's almost ready. It's almost ready. So I'm going to leave it maybe for 3 minutes time for, Let's check our vegetable. I'm going to taste first. Yummy and delicious. So I will be adding a pinch of salt to it. Now I'm going to add my fish, my dried fish to it. So the tomatoes is going to be the last because I don't want it to, because I love to eat my tomatoes when I'm This is delicious, guys. So 3 minutes time we'll be adding my tomatoes to it. Guys, this is the last which I'm going to be adding is the tomatoes. So I want to feel the crunchiness of the tomatoes when I'm eating it, so I don't want it to, that is why I'm adding it last. So in the next 3 to 5 minutes, it's ready. Delicious, delicious. Guys, our vegetable is ready. Hope you guys are coming to my address now, because my address is already at the description box. I always leave my address there. Feel free to come because it's happening right away. That is it. Thank you all so much for your time, for your support, for your love. I really appreciate you guys. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Remain blessed, guys.